Good morning. This is Mom O again. Welcome to our morning routine. To all my followers, my friends out there, good morning to all of you. So this morning, we will do exercises na yung mga body fats natin will fade away in time. Gagawin natin ang exercise na ito for 1 month and you will see result. Okay? So, nagpapaslim po ito ng ating body, ng ating legs, ng ating arms, ng ating bewang para magkaroon tayo ng toned body kahit na tayo ay may edad na. Okay? At yung isang exercise natin will make our body more flexible. Okay? So, sundan nyo lang ako at we will do this together. Okay? Ito lang po. Nakahawak tayo sa wall. Ganyan. Okay? Pagkatapos, ganito lang. Ito lang yung gagawin. Mas taas yung paa, the better. Okay, so gagawin ang exercise number 1 na yan sa speed ninyo. Depende sa inyong speed. Okay? Kung ano lang yung kaya nyong gawin muna. Okay? Kasi in time, gawing medyo mas mabilis-bilis na po. Okay? Hanggang sa ginagawa nyo na ito ng mabilisan, try nyo gawin ito for 1 month at magkakaroon ka ng toned body. Yung second exercise po natin, para ito magiging flexible yung ating buong katawan. Okay? Ito lang yun. Simple lang. Ganyan lang. Okay? So this is also a full body exercise kasi buong katawan natin gumagalaw. Okay? Magiging flexible yung ating body. Okay? Kabila.